So here we are, Lebanon, on this last day of January with the high temperatures today pushing into the upper 50s, thanks to the persistent southerly flow that we've had now for a few days. People will give many reasons for the above average temperatures, but I'll just remind folks that we are in an El Nino year. If you think way back into the late fall when I gave the winter forecast, I pointed out that in El Nino years we are typically drier and warmer, with the polar jet passing well north of the area, while the Pacific jet pushes down closer to Southern California. All the while, a large low-pressure area usually sits in the Pacific Northeast. Well, guess what? That's exactly what's happening now, more or less. Our problem is we're stuck in this southerly or southwesterly flow from the low, and that has been pumping warmer moisture up from the south. Yeah, we occasionally had some colder temperatures that got pulled into the low, then followed the flow and pushed into our area. So today, we have a low-pressure area off the coast, a couple hundred miles west of northern Washington, that has a warm front extending to the east into Oregon that is bringing light rain or rain showers to the area. It also has a cold front that's running north to south off the coast that'll slowly drift into the area tonight, so we can expect more light rain or rain showers this evening and tonight. Still the southerly flow with winds 5 to 10, the overnight low tonight near 55. We see more showers tomorrow that start to become more scattered by around sunset. The afternoon skies partly sunny, still with those southerly winds 5 to 10 and the high near 55. Mostly cloudy tomorrow night, a 50-50 shot at showers still, lows near 41. By Friday, we see cooler air getting wrapped around that low pressure area that gets pushed up into our area by the low that has weakened and drifted a little to the south. So while we still have a decreasing chance of showers by the afternoon Friday, the high temperature is only around 50, and that snow level is falling to near 2,900 feet. Friday night looks mostly cloudy with only a slight chance of showers still, the snow level down around 2,500 feet and the low near 37. We see partly sunny and dry conditions on Saturday, the high near 50, and with partly cloudy skies that night, the low drops down to near 32. Sunday we see that pesky low pressure area drifting back to the north, and that'll bring back a chance of showers for Monday and Tuesday on into Wednesday, with the high temperature around 49 and the nighttime lows around 37. That puts the snow level hanging out at around 2,300 feet at night, then climbing each afternoon to around 3,100 feet. And that's it for the Hump Day forecast. Now for some January statistics. The hottest day in January was 69.4 degrees, and on the opposite end of the temperature spectrum, the low temperature in January was a crisp 15.8 degrees. The rain number might be a little skewed as we had that ice that may have blocked the gauges, but it appears we had 9.49 inches of rain for January. The average is around 6 to 6.5 inches depending on which source you use. All the numbers I'm giving are from our own weather station, so if you also have a weather station, your numbers can be different than mine or your neighbors. There's no official weather station in Lebanon. Now don't forget, if you want to be a sponsor of this weather podcast, shoot me an email at gordon@gamweather.com. Again, that's gordon@gamweather.com. So that's it for now, folks. Try to stay safe and dry. This is meteorologist Gordon McCraw saying, see you next month.